Hi there, thanks for emailing me about the Chapter 8 problem solve. So let's take a look at step 10, building this clear contents macro. Okay, so you mentioned that you already have a macro that exists. We're going to delete that and create a new one. So in my Excel file, I'm working in the one called Spa Invoice. I'm under the Developer tab. I'm going to click the Macros button, and here I have my macro. I accidentally called it Clear Cells, and I'm just going to press Delete to get rid of it. Yes, I really do want to delete that macro. Okay, now before I begin recording the correct macro, I'm just going to read what I have to do. So we've already got the Developer tab. We're going to create a macro that clears the content of all cells where data has been entered. And let's see, here are the cells: G4 through G6, B9 through D35, and D7. In addition, we're going to assign capital letter C as the shortcut key. Okay, I feel like we're ready. Let's go ahead and get this done. Again, well, actually, because we're just creating a fresh one, we can just click the Record Macro button. So I'm under the Developer tab. At the left, click Record Macro. I'm going to give it the proper name, Clear. Now I have to remind myself, Contents? Clear Contents? Yeah, Clear Contents. All right, my shortcut key is Shift-C. So altogether, Control-Shift-C. It gets stored in this workbook. We don't have to add a description. Let's click OK. All right, now the cells we're going to clear. So I'm going to click on G4 through G6. On my keyboard, I'm going to press and hold the Control key. So I'm pressing and holding the Control key. I'm now going to select, oh wait, before I do that, I just need to, oh, I don't have my scroll bar because I'm a step ahead. Okay, I can see B9. So now I'm going to press and hold Control. I'm going to select B9 through D35. Notice that both areas are selected. That's exactly what we want. D35, there it is. I'm keeping my Control key pressed down, and I'm going to click C37. So keeping that Control key pressed down, I select C37. All three areas are selected, and we are now going to clear the contents. So I'm going to go Home, over on the right hand side under Editing, Clear Contents. Okay, now you hang on, stay right there, don't do anything, just listen for a second. Hang on just a second. It says select, where am I at? Select cell G4 to make it active before you stop recording. So in Excel, you are going to click, you won't get that error message, don't worry. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to click cell G4 to make it active and then stop recording. So you can either use the stop button here or the stop button at the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and stop, and that's now the macro. So let's check it out. Let's make sure it runs. So I'm just going to throw in a little content here, just a little bit. Okay, and then let's see if we can get that macro to run. So if you have a button, ignore the button. We're not using the button. We're going to click the macros command, and we're going to run Clear Contents to make sure it worked. Everything cleared out, and it ended on G4. So now you should be ready to carry on. If you already created your button, so I have my little, hang on. Oh, I am ahead of the game, so there are some cells I can't select, including that one. So if you have your button, delete it, recreate it, assign it to the new macro that you just created. Email me back again if you have any questions at all.